Today we're going to show you how to get started on private email. You'll learn how to order a private email subscription, how to configure your Namecheap registered domain name to use it with private email, and how to create a private email mailbox. So first, log into your Namecheap account and navigate to the Email tab from the top bar. You'll see the following private email plans listed on the page: Starter, Pro, and Ultimate. There is a 2-month free trial option available for each of these plans, or you can start your subscription right away at today's prices. Simply switch the billing cycle by clicking Trial or Yearly to make your choice. In this video, we'll use the trial version as an example, so choose your preferred plan and click Get Email. Then, click on the Use a Domain I Own with Namecheap button. On the next window, you'll see a list of the available domains which can be used for private email. Simply click on Select to select the domain you'd like to use the email service for. Click on Continue within the Your Order panel to proceed with the order. Next, choose the number of mailboxes you will need. To do this, you can just enter the appropriate number in the quantity field or use the up and down arrows. Once done, click on Add to Cart to finalize the order. Double-check your order to make sure that the private email plan, the domain name, and the number of the mailboxes are good for you. If everything's okay, click Confirm Order. You can choose from several payment methods for the purchase. Select your preferred way and scroll down the page to check the I have read and agreed to all Namecheap's Terms of Service and Agreements box to proceed with ordering. There will be several referral links to Namecheap's policy and terms for your convenience. Almost set. Simply click on Pay Now and wait a few seconds while the system processes your order. When it's finished, you'll see your recent purchase details listed on the screen. The next step is connecting your domain to private email by adding the essential DNS records for private email. Before you go on, please be aware that if there's another email service already set up for the domain, continuing this process will deactivate it. In order to fill in your DNS records, go to the Namecheap dashboard by navigating to your Namecheap username, which is displayed in the top left corner of the page. Under Dashboard, you'll find your domain for the purchased private email subscription. Locate and press the Manage button next to the domain in question. You will be redirected to the Domain Management page. From here, go to the Advanced DNS tab. When you're on the Advanced DNS tab, you should scroll down the page to the Mail Settings option and select Private Email from the drop-down menu. Once you have done this, save the changes. So what happens next? With private email chosen in the mail settings, the system automatically sets the necessary MX and SPF records, which are responsible for email delivery to your new private email account. Due to the DNS propagation, email delivery will start working properly within about 30 minutes from when the change is saved. This period is needed for local ISPs to update their DNS caches. Meanwhile, you can create your first private email mailbox. To start with, go to the Private Email tab on the left sidebar in your Namecheap account. Now you should see your private email subscription listed here. Go to the private email page and press the Manage button next to the domain name in question. Welcome to the page you can operate your private email subscription from. For now, scroll down the page a little to the Create Mailbox button. You'll see a pop-up window asking for a few details for your email account. In the Mailbox Name field, you need to enter the local part of your email address without the domain part. For example, your name. Only use lowercase in this field. Then, you need to generate a strong password for your email account. The passwords in the Mailbox Password and Confirm Password fields need to match exactly. This password, along with the full mailbox name, will be used as login credentials, both for private email's web interface and the downloaded app. Next, choose the size you would like this mailbox to be, depending on how many you want to create. The total gigabytes remaining, based on the plan you chose and the number of mailboxes you've selected, is visible at the bottom. When all the details are complete, click Save Changes. Well done! And that's it! You can log into your private email account at privateemail.com right now. Please use your full private email address as a username and the password you just created. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to post them under this video, or check out our knowledge base at namecheap.com for more tips and support.